Hello everyone. In this video we talk about the dashboard sort and filter. First of all, we log in as tutor ID. After entering the tutor interface, tutor dashboard already display or show three functions in the dashboard, which is message history, document upload history, upcoming meeting. Tutor allowed to select any student to filter or sort the function. Like example, we choose the students and press the search button. The diagram will show the student you choose, and tutor allowed to press next to check other student information, and press the last button to go to the last page also, and the first page. In the student ID, student interface dashboard, it also same with the tutor. It also can review the functional, but only the tutor can choose any student to search the history and the message and document upload history and upcoming meeting. That's all. Thank you for watching our video.